Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you guys enjoy this one that I'm doing on today. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of me getting my makeup done. I hope you guys appreciate this one. As usual, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section. Let a girl know what you think about this video as well. Also, what I'm doing right here is that I just came out of the shower and I'm brushing my hair. No, don't knock a girl. I literally need to go get my hair done. However, I have to wait for an appointment with my hairdresser. She's extremely busy, so I can't get my hair done just yet. But I still have to make myself look beautiful. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm literally, as you can see, look at that in the back there. I'm going to cut that out because literally the hair is growing out. As you guys know, I have extensions in, and it is what it is. I just have to get an appointment to get in to see her. She's all the way in Fort Lauderdale. And I digress. Anyway, so I just came out of the shower. I'm in my towel there and I'm going to get my face done. Now, I have a particular cream that I use, but I haven't, I forgot. I'm going to go get it now, but I'm coming back. As I came back, I remember that I put this cream on first. I use it because I have extra dry skin, extremely dry skin, and even a lot drier in the winter time. So this I've been using for some years and it has worked for me. It has helped the sensitivity in my skin and I swear by it. If you want to know more information, just comment down below and I'll tell you what that is all about. It has been working for years. My ex-husband put me on to it. It's an Asian cream and I buy it in the Asian market. This one that I'm using, I got it in Las Vegas. It was hard to get in Florida, so sometimes I have his family members purchase it for me. And then I'm going to go on in with, I'm going to let that dry for a bit, yeah? And as it dry, also, don't forget, I'm going to be playing some music over this video so you can sit back and relax and enjoy that. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is the primer that I use. It's a soft matte primer. I love it because it looks very, very flawless underneath my makeup. It makes my face look so beautiful. I swear by it. And that's by Fenty Beauty. As I said, information will be down below if you're interested in purchasing it yourself. I'm fighting up with the hair still, guys. Don't worry about it. My hair is going to be done. I know I'm going to get it done. I don't like the way it looks, but I'm waiting on my appointment. The next appointment she has is all the way in March, but I have to wait, so I have to wait. So guys, also what I'm going to use on my face here now, I'm using the Fenty Beauty as well. I use a lot of her products and I combine number 390 with 400. So I use the 390 with the 400 and that looks extremely well on my face. And then I use a number of different products as well from the Fenty line. So I'm just going to go ahead, sit back, relax. You guys can enjoy this 13-minute video. It's not too long. As per usual, follow your girl on her social handles. That is Star Pollyanna. I'm going to put all my information. And then next week, I'm going to come back with a really beautiful haul that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy what I bring to this channel here at Star Pollyanna for all our plus size girls. So while I get my makeup done, I hope you just sit back, relax, enjoy the light music behind. And then I'll see you guys when it's probably closer to the end.
The sky turns gray against a fiery display of red and golden hues, like the day I fell for you. So what will you do when the sun begins to fall? I'm waiting here for you. Won't you answer my call? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. The wind, it chills you right to the bone. And soon we'll say hello to evening snow. So what will you do when the air gets cold? Won't you quicken your steps and hurry on home? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? get shorter, we have reason to get closer. Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie, yeah. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da, 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 da. Don't you wanna get cozy with me?
Ain't worried if I'm up by the lakeside. No, I don't really care what we do, 'cause everything just falls by the wayside when I take time with you. Am I crazy for not wanting to chase lights? No, I just want a table for two. No, I don't need a reason to make time for date night.